Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your Tinder activity. So I just logged into my Tinder account on my mobile device. So move in my profile icon which is right bottom corner. So after this just turn into the gear icon which is top right corner. So after you may scroll down and find the option of enable discovery. So a little bit more scroll down and here you will be see the enable discovery. So just turn it off. So now it will be hide your profile. So just disable discovery. So now no one can see you on Tinder. So this is how to hide your profile on Tinder and activities. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.